Let's learn yojijyukugo. Hi everyone, it's Akemi 井原。皆様ごきげんよう、Akemi 井原です。Yoji literally means four letters and jukugo means idiom. Yojijyukugo is a compound or idiom consisting of four kanji characters such as 起死回生、以心伝心。Today we are going to learn the meanings of some yojijyukugo and how to use them. I'm sure that you can enjoy the utterance and what each kanji character connotes. Let's get started. 始めます。明鏡止水、明鏡止水。明鏡止水 is a kind of metaphorical expression. 明鏡 literally means a polished mirror. 止水 means limpid water. 明鏡止水 means a mind as serene as a polished mirror or clear mind. We say 彼の心は明鏡止水です。彼の心は明鏡止水です。It means his mind is clear and bright like a mirror. 明鏡止水。日々奮闘、日々奮闘。日々 means daily or every day. 奮闘 means struggle, strive, or strenuous effort. 日々奮闘 means I exert effort every day. I'm doing my best every day. For example, 最近どう？最近どう？ which means how's everything? 日々奮闘してます。日々奮闘してます。日々奮闘。起死回生、起死回生。起死回生 means someone's revival from the brink of death or recovering from a hopeless situation. For example, 起死回生のホームランを打ちました。起死回生のホームランを打ちました。means he hit a home run and turned the game around. 起死回生。以心伝心、以心伝心。以心伝心 means telepathy or tacit understanding. For example, なんて偶然なの？ What a coincidence! 今 LINE しようと思ってたの。I was about to call you on LINE. 僕たちは愛し合っているから。We love each other, so 言葉なんていらないよ。We don't need words. 以心伝心だね。It's a telepathy connection. 以心伝心。That's it. I sometimes see people wearing t-shirts printed with a yojijyukugo. If you find yojijyukugo somewhere and want to know the meaning, don't hesitate to comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys again soon. それでは皆様、ごきげんよう。またね。